adorable people. Another one of my people, another one. This Chidima matter, e no go kill us at all. Where that girl of 18, that girl wey say his name na Chidima, where in your heart, where she get am from? Woman for that matter, if that kind person be man, my people, that kind of person, if na man, na she be, ha, that one go pass her nini. E go pass her nini, honestly. Because me no come even understand the way when be say they take the interview because she not ready to talk the truth. She no want talk wetin happen. How you go say the man too stingy? Another interview again, my people. I go upload the video later. Mona list make she use her mouth to narrate the whole issue for una. My people, whether una go pick any truth from the whole story when she analyze, my people. Because they just new interview again now, another interview when they just new ask am say wetin make you do that kind of thing, and when you dey get mind when you want to do this kind of thing, you no even think and say they go come for you take a driving license, you take a MTN card, you withdraw your money. Wetin you come dey think that particular time? He say no be say he know say they will come from her. Okay, wetin come make you take a driving license? Why you can't take am? Why? That girl, the way una take the interview am with a soft mind like a jet, but me I no understand though, my people. That girl need iron hand. Really, she have a lot to tell. Before she go fit carry that kind art, she go don she don fit dey do am before. Chidima don fit dey do am because na her own interview. Na me myself take dey explain am so. Before she go gather that kind of liver, more than believe me, my people, she don fit dey do am. This particular man also, my people, I not sure say this Super TV founder so. I not even sure say na the first one. Okay, that kind man, 50 years old man, you 21 years old female, you just come fit tie the man. The man was greedy, the man stingy. Now make you carry do am like that. My sister, Chidima, you are a liar. You can lie for Africa. You can lie for Africa. Now wetin you dey do? How many which person now even know? You know say this life, my people, wetin some people no understand. Not be all head, not be that they feel they key for this life. You understand? Now understand, my people. You know say not be all head that they feel they key. Maybe she don't. This girl, my mind tell me say she don't feel they do now. Now wetin she take they live. Now wetin she dey do for living? But you know this man, oh God, not come gree make fit because maybe this girl, I can imagine even your lifestyle, the way she smoke, I'm not against it, na your life. But on a normal ground for female, it's not a good life. You understand? No matter what you dey face for life, nobody, even me when I sit down for you when they talk, so I don't suffer for my life. But I no come fit say because say I suffer, my papa die, all those kind of things, I can't involve myself for crime. Hey no, hey no. Okay, you say you want to pay your school fees, the man was greedy. As that kind of man just get money, if it be say no be your intention to really give that man ROIP, you dey go out to that kind of man, you tell the man say please, I want now your own explanation. Let me dey you say the narrator now. You call her the name wey you dey call her, whatsoever the name wey you dey call her, because you say na your sugar daddy. You understand? From your mouth now you talk and say na your sugar daddy. You tell am say you wan pay school fees. You believe say that man no go give you, he go give you the school fees. Or you tell am say you no wan go school again, say you wan dey do one kind business, any business wey be say babes dey do for bongo now, say you wan do am. Me for my own heart, I believe say that man go give you. They need to torture you. There is more behind this man death. There is more behind it. Because this one they say the man stingy, na make you do am like that, this and that, not be intentional. No, all those, see the way when they over say they handle the issue, I will say na boy na him do this thing since. The thing that if I don't give the boy notorious killer, different things na don't give the boy because say you be female or because say you fine. They never still find no a person be Miss World. Me I know the way Nigeria authority, the way when I take they handle this Chidima matter of it. The thing the way when I take they ask a question, it's like una over they happy say kill the man. And now they give many, now they give many guests more strength and morale to carry out those different acts. And all those papa will be say dey full everywhere. So when be say their grand pikin age mate na dem go, and no be say dey give dem the kpekus now say una come do the kpekus now, una no go fit do am. Now una go dey do, una no go fit do am when be say una just dey lose una life put just like that. People father, people grandfather, people husband. See the pain wey be say you sight for those family life. You think say na pain wey dem fit forget so easily. You dey na money, the worst part, the money wey you no even work for, you say the man stingy. If he stingy na he sweat. If he stingy, he work for it to become that super TV founder. You are a student, you can do more better, but you just decide to be gigolo. You just decide to just dey trade yourself, take acquire this goal. And this one will be lesson to all those girls wey be say Abuja connection, Asaba connection, Edo connection. Mona receive say you guys should go and work. You guys should go and work. You can learn hairdressing tomorrow and become somebody. You can learn makeup artist tomorrow and become somebody. None of you want to do anything. All of you one thing. Later you will blame the government. Later you guys will pour the hanger in government. Now government, now Buhari now or Igbo state governor, now he send Chidima and say Chidima go and take somebody's life. Hey no, she did it for her own selfish interest. She did it because she want to buy Bond Street. She want to buy Mary Kay makeup. She want to buy MAC. She want to buy Dior. She want to buy Angel. She want to buy Armani. She want to buy everything, and iPhone 10-11 promo. She want to use it. But you now took someone's life. And they obviously they ask and say, okay, that particular time, you know who think say authority will come for you. He say yes. Now they ask us, okay, why you take the man MTN card and you can't still take him driver's license? She's just explaining it like say na mama dey ask am question. You guys should torture her. There is more behind that whole scenario. There are more. She have a lot. Chidima have a lot to tell you guys. Chidima have a lot to tell the authority because each day interview different word. His wife propaganda with me to do this. My uncle was going out with his wife. He was doing this different story. Which one one can't believe? Now another interview again. Now you they say the man was so stingy. I was looking for money to. Now you work the money giver. Now you work the money giver. You guys of nowadays, you guys don't want to work, but you guys want to look good. You guys don't want to look for money and hustle in a legitimate way, but you guys want to wear human hair, bone straight, fish straight, boloko straight. All of them, you guys want to wear it, but you guys don't want to learn any handwork. You guys don't want to trade any business. It's your sugar daddy. You know the name you called him. Called him that name. Talk to him. I don't want to school anymore. I want to open one business. I believe that man will give to you. You not took his life and said the man is so greedy. Do you know what it takes that man to become who that man is in the society? You don't know. But I don't believe you because you guys don't have respect for the death anymore. The Osifo is not more alive to explain your own side of the story. Everything you say now is what people will believe. But even if they leave you to go, remember the spirit of that man will haunt you. Definitely, he's not going to give you peace. I pity the man that will marry you. I pity the man that will marry you because your heart is so strong, Chidima. Your heart is so strong. 21 years old girl, innocent face. And different people are coming out to say you are a gentle. You see people that are quiet, people that are quiet, guys, their hearts. People that slow poison people, they are always like that. They are also okay. I just come across one video I wanted to talk about before I saw this news on NTA News. The guy said Chidima is a good girl. People are trying to label my brother. Nobody is trying to label Chidima. Chidima label herself out of her own selfish interest, out of her own greed. She caused it to herself. You understand? And we are here to talk about it because we want change. We want change. So nobody rebel. He said the whole social media, they just try to ridicule. No, she did it to her own self. Please, my people, subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell, guys. As you do so, may God bless you. Always thumbs up my video. Always share my video for more people to come across my video, to learn from it. We have to stay away from trouble, except anything that involves the authority of the land. Be very, very careful. Guys, let me drop the video so that she will use her own mouth to narrate how the man was greedy, how the man. Let me go there. I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye.
We met ourselves at an outing. That is how we met. That was the first day we met.
Okay.
That was the first time we slept together. The person that introduced me to him was his friend, who is my is a boyfriend to a friend of mine. Then I killed him and I stole his money. That's because I needed the money. So when he was gone, I just took everything and left.